Oh well, hey there. Here is a review for the car diagnostic scanner. That's gonna be quite the treat. Well, so I want to come to you guys as a person who doesn't really have a lot of car knowledge. You know, I can change oil, this and that, but I'm not a mechanic by any means. And if you're a mechanic, you don't need this review. So this is for the everyday user. Coming right out of the box. I have not opened this yet, so this is seen by you for the first time too. And we have a small user manual and the product itself. So, looks pretty user-friendly. It looks really user-friendly actually. I mean, I guess it looks like it. 4 buttons on the outside here, a screen right there. It really feels pretty heavy-duty. This wire here, I mean, that's pretty thick wire. This thing is it's plastic, but it's a harder plastic. I don't feel like that's going to break anytime soon unless you accidentally run it over with your car. And then you got the end there that plugs into your vehicle, I assume. Don't really have any idea actually. So I guess like most Americans, I'm like most Americans, and I want to be able to see a couple of pictures, not really read all the fine print, and probably be able to plug it in. So I'm gonna cruise through this, see if I can plug it in, and if I cannot, come back to it, and let you know how difficult it was for me. Hey, so we're here with the JDiag, and I want to give you guys a good look at this because I think there might be a couple different ones. So make sure that your vehicle uses this. I think it's pretty standard these days, but if you have maybe an older vehicle, we have this other vehicle, and I wasn't able to find anything that this would plug into, so I think that one needs an older one. Anyhow, classic man problem. Came out here, started getting all my tools, taking off panels. Really just needed to look harder. I'm pretty sure they should be easy to find. So get under here and look underneath the console. All this stuff here, they say that sometimes they're over by the glove box, sometimes they're under kind of your middle console, that kind of thing, but you should be able to just peek under and find it pretty easily. So, all right. So please turn on the ignition. Okay. Diagnostics. 0 codes found. Which is good because the check engine light is not on. Everything looks like it's pretty easy to use, really. Erase codes, live data. Whoa, it gives me my battery voltage. That's cool. Load percentage. Don't know what that means. It's actually pretty neat. I don't actually have any problems with this vehicle, but it looks like this really is pretty easy to use, to set up once you're able to find where it goes. Looks incredibly user-friendly, just with the 4 buttons, pretty obvious what they do. So assuming that this actually works and will tell you your code for your vehicle, yes, this is a product that I would recommend. And it's worth looking at the price of this, but I would assume that it's probably going to cost you, you know, it's probably going to cost you around the same amount to have someone else look at it for you. So you could have this and be able to check out, you know, whatever your problems are for your vehicles. As long as you're not throwing this around, it's not the strongest thing ever, but it's certainly built well enough that it should last a long time if you're a good steward of it. So that is how I feel about this product. I am excited to have it and be able to plug it in and look at future problems in the future. So thanks.